Job agad ni Sherry Campos, look at that, nakataya niya ako ng load. So, siyempre, malay mo, almost like 100 million. Yes, 100 million pesos ang ating mapapananalunan. Siyempre, makipagkwentuhan pa rin ako at makipag-tsakan and of course, makipag-marites.
Kumusta po kayong lahat? Yes, siyempre, ang inyong lingkod is katapos na nag-exercise. At siyempre, nakapagbalik ko na rin siyempre dito. Meron silang hot water and of course, meron silang free soap at libreng tuwalya. Siyempre, dahil nakapag-exercise na din for today, ang aking mission for today, tataya tayo ng loto. Sana naman patnubayan tayo. Oh my God, kasi siyempre, kailangan na natin minsan na kumita ng malaki-laking pera para meron tayo maipadala sa planet Earth, kay Mother Earth. So, tara samahan niya ako for today. Actually, palabas mo. Nag-gym ako like, I spent almost like an hour din dito kasi like my left is not, yung left, ano po, napaka-sakit. So, dito ako ilalapit ko dito ang aking, what you call it, ang aking phone. Kasi ito lang ang ginagamit ko. And this one is the, what you call it, ang aking container. At siyempre meron siya yung video. I'm gonna grab my wallet. Lalagay ko sa bulsa ko. Cute ang area ko na. Cute. Ano na? At tayo maghahangad na. Yung actually na. Yung nagkaroon na. Magkaroon na. Inahanap ko ang panahod. Maulay ko na maya-maya. Dito. Ayan. I'm gonna put my backpack in my bag. At ito na. Ito ang aking gym in here. It's old school gym. Yes, ang kasama ko here kamukha ko sa inyo po sa si Kuya, pinagkaitan ng kadhana, and of course, ang classmates ko. Balik Victoria siya. Tulong element. So that's all we do. We're gonna go in here sa outside wall. Yes, meron pa tayong oras and actually after this one is live streaming pa rin po ako. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Mabuhay po kayong lahat. And of course, ang inyong lingkod, ito Tatay Edsel ng Loto. Samahan niyo ko po today. If I won, oh my God, hati tayo para matulungan na natin lahat ng ating matutulungan because syempre life is too short and I'm always thankful to God when I wake up in the morning. And of course, we are super blessed. We are super blessed. Indeed, blessed because we're celebrating and of course how you do and what you do for living and of course I'm breathing oxygen. Yes, mabuhay po kayo. Make a big shout out kay Jiwata and congratulations Jiwata. So this is the outside wall. Kaya muna tayong loto in here at malay mo makatama tayo. Siyempre pag tumama tayo we're gonna go back sa ating country. Yes, tumulong na lang or magtinda ng pares or makisosyo kay Diwata or mag-apply ng trabaho kay Diwata. So I'm gonna walk right now para tumaya ng loto. Sino nga bang hindi nangangarap na yumaman, di ba? Siyempre lahat naman tayong overseas contract worker. We're trying to make a lot of money. But siyempre, we are family-oriented, kaya tayo ay nagpapadala ng pera sa bansang Pilipinas. So, kaya tayo ng content dito. So, just all my job, we gonna go inside.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright.
dyan, nakataya niya ako ng lotso. Siyempre, malay mo, almost like 100 million. Yes, 100 million pesos ang ating mapapananalunan. Siyempre, makipagkwentuhan pa rin ako at makipag-tsakan and of course, makipagmaritesan sa inyo. Siyempre mga Java guard, ito ang aking road every day. So I went to the gym already and of course this one is ang aking paboritong upuan kasi right in there is almost like a red light pa. Pag sinabing blue, eh di blue, eh di go rin na. And of course kaganda ng paligid, maganda ka pa sa paligid. And of course tatapos na ng winter, the weather is so, it's not cold, it's not so hot, it's really beautiful. And of course you can see the beautiful. Yes, the flower behind my back and of course it's really good, napakaganda ng panahon. And of course kung sa kabilang isang jogger, kung sa kabilang isang anak na Diyos, and of course sa banga nila nakintuwa ng magulang kung silang kasang. We're gonna wait and of course I give you a tour. Ito bilang isang jogger, hindi madali, hindi mahirap. Siyempre lahat, sinasa puso natin lahat ng ating ginagawa. Yes, sa ngalan ng ating paninilbihan sa ibang bansa. Well, we're gonna go take you a walk. And of course, siyempre, content din ito. Ang loto. Siyempre, pag nanalo tayo ng loto, we're gonna go back home at para matutulungan natin ang gusto natin matulungan at hindi na tayo mga problema ng pera na maipapadala sa ating magulang, sa ating mga pinag-aaral sa bansang Pilipinas. Yes, ano kaya kay ganda pag every time na nakakita ako ng like a fold in here, parang gusto kong sumayaw. So let's go take a walk and my It's far. Look at that beautiful. We can see the beautiful like the building like on the side and to the left, to the right, and of course this is the beautiful view and beautiful scenario in here in Korea. Siyempre kahit sa paligid nakakapasya tayo, nakakapag-tour tayo. Libre mangarap, this all we do is dagdagan na natin ang pangarap. Yes, pangarap ng buhay. Libre mangarap to fulfill all our dream, your dream, my dream, your story, my story, and their story. Kwento ng buhay mo, kwento ng buhay ko, at kwento ng buhay ng isang OFW. Siyempre, sino nga bang hindi naghahangad na yumaman? Wow, ang ganda naman ito. Oh, it's like real. Oh my God. Napukaw na pay attention sa akin like the beautiful plant and the beautiful trees right in here in Korea. Yes, magandang umaga, gabi po sa inyo lahat, ang inyong lingkod. Andito na naman, walang sawang gumagawa ng vlog. Yes, or something like this is memorable, and of course this is the good, and of course this is the good memorable, and it was so fancy, it was so brilliant. That's all we do. We gonna go and walk. Tara, so doon tayo. We gonna take a walk. This one I like in this place. It's really good. And of course the trees in there, it was so beautiful. So you wanna go back home. At ito, hiningal kasi ako. I'm almost like old. Wow, look at the beautiful trees in here. It was so beautiful. Really. And oh my God, it was so green. Yes, tumaya na tayo ng loto. And of course, nakapag-tour pa tayo. Dito lang tayo sa paligid-ligid, sa gilid-gilid ng mundo. When of course, it's springtime. Kinasabing is springtime. And of course, marami mga flowers. Yes, katatapos lang ng winter, autumn, and spring. Katatapos lang ng winter. The winter in here really cold. And look at that beautiful garden in there. And of course, nagpupa-attention sa akin ang bahay na ito. Well, no, we can't afford to live in there kasi ang bahay ko ay maliit lang. Just only like a one bed. Tamang-tama lang sa isang tao. May isang, dalawa, tatlo. Pwede na. No, it's alright. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And like, this is the beautiful view. And lots of Bansang Korea. This is your Korean Angel. Please do subscribe and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to share the love tonight. Thank you so much for our way to 100,000K and for our 20 million followers right here in Korea. Loto. Paalam po.